Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to DevOps King channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of different tasks about the Azure DevOps and AWS. Today we shall discuss how to configure the container registry in the series Configuring Azure CICD for .NET Core 8 API on Huawei Cloud, Part 4. If you need any help for the Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Azure, Web CI/CD, please contact on this WhatsApp number. All video on this channel are prepared by certified DevOps engineer. In order to search the channel on the YouTube, please use our DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. Today in part 4 about the configuring Azure CI/CD for the .NET Core 8 API on Huawei Cloud with the Dockers, part 4. First of all, I shall explain what is the container registry. A container registry is a storage and distribution system for the Docker images. Nowadays, in most of the software, we are using the container registry like Docker Hub. In AWS, we are using ECR, Amazon Container Registry, and on the Google Cloud, we are using GCR, Google Container Registry, and on the Azure Cloud, we are using ACR, Azure Container Registry. But today, we shall explain about the software repository for the container registry for the Huawei Cloud. So make sure that you know about the SWR, because in my YAML file in the next part of this series, I shall use the variable SWR in the next part of this series. So on the Huawei Cloud, the name is SWR. We shall read it as software repository for the container. When you log in on the Huawei Cloud, you will see the interface like this one. When you search for the microservices, you come to know that the different sources that you have used on the Huawei Cloud. In this case, we have already used like 2 Elastic Cloud Server, disk, bandwidth, keys, virtual private cloud, what's used for the secrets variable, and the images and the bucket, other things like this. So on the Huawei Cloud, you will search for the software repository for the container. You will find this link, dashboard. In the dashboard, you will see the button like this one, create the container registry. In the Huawei Cloud, the container registry known as the organization. So we shall create the organization in order to push our images on the for the application. So click on the create organization button. When you click on the organization button, you will find the interface like this one. Make sure that on the left hand side you have clicked the organization. After that, click the create organization button, this one. When you click on the organization button, you will find the interface like this one. Please make sure that you have read the instruction about the creation of the organization, like with examples. In my case, I have written front end the name of the organization that I shall use for the Docker images. After writing the front end, please click on the OK button. When you click on the OK button, you will find the interface like this one. Our organization has been created with the name of the front end, this one. After the creation of the front end of our organization, we shall configure the permission for the user that we shall use in our CICD during the working with the container registry. So when you click on the organization like this one, in the organization you will find the when you select the organization, on the right hand side you will find the two link. Like one link is the user link and the other one is the images. When you click on this button, grant permission, you will define the different permission for the user. The different permissions are read permission, contributor permission, admin permission. These are all the different permissions that you will assign to the user. I am using the admin permission for my user. In the next step, when you have created the organization, please read the instruction about the Docker. This is the very important for the success of the CICD. These are about the instruction for the Docker different commands. Like when you click on this generate login command, you will find the commands how to log in. These are all commands will be available in the YAML file in the coming parts of this series. In order to push the images on the container registry, we shall use this command. These are the commands that are given by the Huawei cloud according to the different services that we have created in this case. Because if you read this command, this portion is the URL assigned by the Huawei cloud to the software repository. After this portion is the name of the organization that we have written front end, and after that this account service is the name of the API that we can write according to the name of our API that we shall push to the container registry. The second command is about the tag, because when we push the images to the container registry, we tag it first according to the URL of our container registry. And the third one is the Docker push command that we shall use to push our image to the container registry. These are all commands will be used in the YAML file, and we shall discuss these commands in detail when I shall develop the Docker file in the next part of this series. Wish you good luck for your future. See you in the next part.